So it was our 1 day travel to Chennai. We left on Saturday night through the train and we reached Sunday morning. It was an early arrival at the Chennai airport. It was around 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and this is my son. He's enjoying the ride on the vehicle which drops you from the train bogie to the main station outside. Okay, and then we headed towards the Marina Beach early morning around 11 o'clock because it was just a half a day, almost a day trip. And from the Marina Beach till the from the road, okay, where we get down in the auto till we reach the beach side, it is I think almost 1 or 1.5 kilometer walk. So I just said that we cannot walk so long having kids, so we took a horse ride. The kids really enjoyed the horse ride. I and my daughter sat on one horse, and my son and my husband on the other horse. They were really enjoying the ride a lot. The same was with me and my daughter. We both also enjoyed the ride a lot. Thank God, in the heavy sun, we four somehow reached the shore. And now we were so damn tired because the horse had just left us on the halfway, and then we had to walk the half distance towards the shore. Okay, that is the waterfront. And then what happened was, we were like so tired, we were not even in the mood of going and playing in the water. My son somehow he took the permission from us and he went, but even he didn't enjoy into the waters. I don't know why. And see, this is what was I doing, sitting on the beach side, playing with the mud, writing something in there, and just doing a little time pass over there. And after that, my son, he's still struggling to get inside the water. Somehow he's just wetting his legs, coming out, going again, wetting his legs, and again coming out. And this was how he enjoyed. My daughter is trying to make a castle in the mud. She also didn't want to get inside the water like we didn't go, and she was just playing with the mud and her shoes and all. And now she created a castle and she's happy seeing the castle. And my son, he's still struggling to go, and there's like nobody on the beach now. He's only alone, walking, coming back, going, coming back. And now he's like doing some dance. He wants me to make a TikTok over there, and he's making some poses, some cool poses. And now we are tired, sitting in the sun. It's almost like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and now we are walking back. It's a long way. While coming, we had just covered halfway through the horse ride, but now we have to walk the whole way towards from where we started off. And my kids, they are looking out for some shells, and see what my son has found. Such a big shell, isn't it? Anyways, our trip was nice. Hope you also